Just subscribe right now because it's lit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your K Couture, and I guess you're here because you either want to learn how to do makeup or you want to see how I do my makeup. Either way, I'm glad you're here. So let's just get started. First things first, let's get started with my Dickinson's toner. I use this every time I start doing my makeup to wipe my face off, just to get any oils on my face, just any makeup that might be left over from another day. I don't know, all that nasty stuff. But yeah, I want to use that first. I'm going to put that all over my face just to get the clean face going on. Before we go any further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? 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 Subscribe to my channel right now because it's fun over here, it's lit over here, the content is good, it's consistent, you don't want to miss out, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. And yeah, so now I'm taking this concealer by Maybelline. Is it by Maybelline? Yes, this concealer is by Maybelline. So I'm going to take that and put it all over any impurities and little marks that I have on my face or on my neck, and I'm going to blend those in with my beauty blender. Next, so now I'm taking this. Is this by Maybelline too? I think this by Maybelline too. Yep, this by Maybelline too. This is the Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation in the shade 340, and I'm going to take that. I'm going to put it on this hair. Yo, this hair was in my face, and do not be in the comments talking about my underarms because I don't like to shave my underarms, and they're not always waxed. Like, I get my underarms waxed, and yeah, judge your own bumpy underarms, okay? Anyway, hated the ponytail. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm taking this foundation and I'm just going to dab it all over my skin, and you know, just dab it all over my skin, and then I'm going to use my makeup brush to blend that in. Don't be scared to use your fingers to do your makeup. Just make sure that your fingers are clean. Make sure they're coronavirus free. Make sure they're coronavirus free, and you know, use your hands if you need to. And when I say use your hands, I mean to apply the makeup, not to blend it. Clearly, don't be trifling. So now I'm taking that same Maybelline concealer. I'm taking that Maybelline concealer, and that's what I'm going to highlight my face with. I'm going to put that, you know, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, under my chin, and my forehead. And then once I am Wakanda ready, honey, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender. Okay, so my camera had died, and I came back on camera and it was looking ashy. Like, I don't know if the lighting changed and I don't know what happened, but I don't know. But we're gonna get the warmth back in the face anyway, okay? So don't worry about that. So now I'm gonna take my Black Opal foundation stick, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. Let me tell you something. This little contour stick was like, what, $5 max at Walmart, and I've had it for literally over a year. And I use it every single time I do my makeup. Like, it's so crazy. So yeah, that's a good investment if you guys want to, or if you guys are looking for a new contour stick or whatever you want to use, whatever. This is a good investment. So now I'm just taking my brush and I'm just going to dab my contour in. And now I'm just doing that same exact thing with my cheeks. I also do go back in afterwards with a beauty blender just to further blend, because you know, you don't want to be looking like jigsaw. So you want to make sure that everything is highly blended. So since the products that I used are pretty creamy, now I'm taking my NYX primer and I'm going to spray my face just to like mattify the creamy products that I just used. Yeah, I'm going to spray this all over my face, and I'm going to fan my face. I'm not, you know, just let it air dry. You don't have to fan your face, but for time's sake, I was fanning my face, honey, and I was hot. So yeah. So now I'm taking the Good and Faithful Miss Sasha Buttercup, and I'm going to apply that with the beauty blender all over my face, just to set my makeup, and then we're going to move on to the brows. While we're here and while we're talking, we're almost 5 minutes into the video, so if you aren't already subscribed, what are you doing, honey? Subscribe. All right, so now onto the brows. For the brows, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. What's the shade in this? Let me see. In the shade Ebony. So the trick for the brows is that when you get to the beginning part of your brows, you want to do upward strokes. You know, you're going to color them in, you know, at the ends, but towards the beginning of them, you want to do upward strokes. So now we're going to clean them bad boys up, and I'm going to use that same exact brush. Well, I wiped it off first, but I'm going to use that same exact brush. I'm going to put some concealer on the brush, and I'm just going to line the bottom of my brow. That's how you're going to get that sharp look, that like boom, pat, pow. So yeah, you want to line the bottom of your brows, and then you're going to drag the concealer down. So once the concealer is dragged down, then you're going to use your beauty blender, and you're going to just blend that out. So I'm gonna just say this one more time. If you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button right now. What are you doing? Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Like, aren't you having fun? Subscribe. Also, you'll see at the end of the video that my hair actually does look cute when I take this bonnet off. Well, not bonnet, but take this little headband off, and we'll take the headband off and wet my hair up and stuff like that. Anyway, my point in saying this is that I also do hair tutorials. So if you like, you know, how these baby hairs and how this install is looking on this frontal, make sure you guys go check out my install videos. I actually recorded this particular install, so make sure you guys go check out my hair videos as well. And make sure you guys are also following me on Instagram at k.couture, the same exact name as here on YouTube. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to use my Fit Me. This is also by Maybelline, and this is a powder, and I'm going to use this to set my face. And I'm just going to take that and just put it all over my face in those areas that look ashy, but those are actually the areas those are also the areas oh my gosh, ciao. Those are the areas that have setting powder on them. So we're going to go ahead and add that warmth back to our face by setting our face with this powder, okay? So don't get me wrong, I am not an eyeshadow girl, but I've been getting into it a little bit recently. Well, like, this is like an everyday makeup type of thing, or like an Insta baddie thing, so that's why I'm doing the eyeshadow. But you know, I only do eyeshadow when I'm like really going out on like a date or whatever. But anyway, so I'm using that shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm only using this one shade. That's it. This is so simple. This is extremely simple. We're just using one shade, and we're just putting it all over our lid. This brush is by BH Cosmetics, and yep, that's all we're doing is putting this one shade on our lid. Oh, just wait till I take this headband off and wet my hair. Baddie for real. Okay, so now I'm taking my mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty mascara. I'm just putting some mascara on, and then we're going to apply our lashes. So these lashes are actually from Amazon. I'm going to think about leaving the link below because I actually just reached out to the company and they didn't want to pay me. But for the sake of you guys, I might just leave it in the description box anyway. Okay, so these are from Amazon. They're actually cheap and they come in a big pack. I've been wearing these lashes all summer, and everyone loves these lashes. They are very, very long, but like I said, this is like an insta baddie look, so you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I do use hair glue because I like hair glue. It doesn't take my lashes out. It's actually like more of a stretchy glue. I don't like the glues that aren't stretchy, that literally like rip your lashes out. I'm not feeling that. It hurts. I don't know, it hurts. So yeah, I don't use tweezers or anything like that. I literally just pop my lashes on just like you just saw me do it. When you're doing your lashes, you want to make sure that they look even once you put both of them on, because they will be having you look very cockeyed, okay? And you know, if you're not cockeyed, I don't think you want to look cockeyed. So make sure your lashes are lining up evenly. When I do my hair videos, I want to actually start doing like girl talks during my hair videos instead of just explaining or whatever. So guys, leave me some topics below that you guys want to talk about, because like as you can see, I like to talk. I talked almost this entire video. So yeah, we could be doing like little girl talks and stuff. So let me know what topics you guys have for me so that we can, you know, get that ball rolling, okay? And this is what I mean by not looking cockeyed. Like, make sure one lash isn't like pointed downwards and the other one is pointed up, or you know, etc., etc., okay? So now we're moving on to the lips. I'm just taking off any makeup that might be on my lips. I see people put lipstick and stuff on top of makeup all the time. I hate it. So yeah, I'm just cleaning off my lips, and then we're going to get started on our lip. Okay, so first I'm going to put some chapstick on my lips, just because, you know, I don't like an ashy lip. I like my lip liner and my lip, I like everything to be nice and smooth. So I'm using some chapstick, and now I'm using my NYX lip liner pencil. This is in the shade Downtown Beauty, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So now I'm using the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Shy. And this is my favorite lip combo. This is literally my everyday go-to lip combo. So now I'm just adding that. And you guys are going to see at the end, like, it's just a good combo. Like, it's good. And now I'm using my clear gloss. I love me a clear gloss that come in the tube, child. That's from the VSN workshop. They sent that to me in PR, and I love that. So as you can see, girl, it's a nice little lip. The face is done. The face is beat. So now we are going to move on to hair. I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair, take this off, and I will be back. It's the no shirt illusion for me. Like, so I'm taking my setting spray. This is by Morphe. I love that setting spray. My makeup artist put me on that setting spray. It is absolutely amazing. Make sure you get that. But baby, this is the final look, okay? Let me go ahead and fan myself so that, you know, the face can matte down. Hold on one second. So this is it, loves. This is our final look. I love it. I hope you guys love it. Hope you guys learned something today. And until next time, guys, stay positive and be blessed. Make sure you subscribe.